This video is sponsored by BetterHelp. In 1952 near Ostend, Belgium, a car built by Rover set a land speed record by exceeding 150 miles per hour, even though this car was not the fastest car in the world at the time. That title belonged to the Jaguar XK120 that reached 172 miles per hour.
Wait a second. How can it be that the Rover set the record, but is not the fastest car? Well, the name of the Rover happens to be Rover Jet 1, and it set the land speed record as the first car powered by a turbine engine.
A turbine engine doesn't work like a reciprocating engine, but in theory, is similar. You pull in air, you compress it, you burn the fuel with it, and use the gas generated to spin a turbine.
The turbine is the difference.
Now, you can see the advantages of using this engine on a car, right? The output is already rotational, they are very efficient, and can burn virtually any fuel. As a matter of fact, Chrysler also launched the turbine car in 1963, and just for fun they ran it on cooking oil, brandy, and Chanel No. 5. Yes, the perfume.
And that brings up the question, why aren't cars powered by turbines? Well, to be honest, I don't really know, and I think the best way to find out is to build one. Unfortunately, I'm on a tight budget, and cars tend to be expensive. Luckily, I have the next best thing, a mountain skateboard. It's like a tiny car. Now, I'm also gonna need a turbine. That's pretty obvious. And to get one, it should be easy enough. I can just 3D print one. As a matter of fact, I already did. Here it is. Now, this is not just any turbine. This is a very special geometry, because this is a replica of the turbine used in the V2 rocket.
You see, a while ago I went to the Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama, and there they have an original V2 rocket, the grandfather to all rockets used nowadays. Now, while I was there, I was able to look at the skeleton of a V2 rocket and take some measurements of the turbine. What is special about this turbine is the fact that it's powered by steam and was able to put out enough power to pump 1,000 kilograms of liquid oxygen in just 60 seconds.
I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty darn impressive. Now, my only problem with this turbine is the fact that it's made out of plastic. This is one of those rare occasions in which I actually want it to be heavy, because the more mass it has, the more oomph it has. You know, the more strength. It's gonna work like a flywheel. The obvious choice